Three, two, one.
Welcome! My name is Stephanie.
And my name's Katie.
And today we'll be presenting our Histories of Numbers project.
Did you know
that humans have been using numbers to count for thousands of years? The definition of a number is
a quantity or an amount?
numbers are strange. They're not physical objects.
No one has ever bumped into the number 2 or tripped over a number 3.
Not even your crazy mathematical professor.
They're not mental objects either. Numbers have been a fact of life since recorded history.
Did you know?
Today's numbers are also called Hindu-Arabic numbers.
What?
Numbers have traveled from all around the world.
In fact, they were probably invented in India.
Did you know
People didn't start actually counting zero as a number after another thousands of years?
the Indians have been using Arabic numbers since about 500 BC?
Once zero was invented, it transformed counting and mathematics in a way that would change the world. The numeral set used in the Middle East today is a cousin of the modern numeral set, with a common ancestry in the ancient Hindu numerals.
However, the first Western use of digits without the zero was reported in the V century by Boethius,
A Roman writer.
Boethius explains in one of his own geometry books how to operate the abacus using marked small cones instead of petals. Those cones upon each of which was drawn the symbol of one of the 9 Hindu Arabic digits were called apices.
Before adopting the Hindu-Arabic numeral system, people used the Roman figures instead, which actually are a legacy of the Etruscan period.
Roman numerals added another twist. If a numeral appeared before one with the higher value, it would be subtracted rather than added.
But in this time period, people really didn't know anything about numbers. What did different civilizations use to record larger quantities?
That's right, tally marks.
Even the Stone Age people had their own concept of their numbers. But even with this innovation, it was still a cumbersome method for writing large numbers.
Though their number system was very limited to our math system.
Ancient Egyptians needed a way to count all their goods.
Besides, they were also traders, so they needed to know how much the quantity of products they were exchanging accurately. For the Egyptians, each stroke was equivalent to 1. Ancient Egyptians would use special symbols, so for 10 they would use symbols such as this. So these are a few examples of symbols they used to represent numbers.
We know about these symbols now in current day because they've been found in artifacts.
Later, the Arabs who were in contact with the Indians learned these numbers and started to use them. The numbers we use were transmitted by the Arabs to Europe.
Years later, an Italian mathematician called Fibonacci made these numbers popular
in Europe in a book titled Libra Abraci. How did they reach America?
The numbers reached America by the European colonizers.
Fun fact.
The Mayas, who lived in the south of Mexico, had their own set of numbers. Fun fact.
The Incas, who lived where is now Peru, also had their own number system, which in this case they had knots tied on a string, which were called cupus.
We don't use those numbers anymore because when the Spanish conquered America and civilization started to adapt the Spanish number system, they slowly left aside their own system.
The basic digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
And then, with these basic numbers, we can use them to make any combination or form other numbers.
With just those basic numbers, we can make any form of rational number imaginable. The other civilizations, such as Greek and Hebrew, also used extensions of tally marks to count their numbers.
How big of a role numbers played in the development of our culture and society?
We know that they must play some huge role, since they enable all kinds of material technologies.
To find our information, we really didn't use websites. We mainly watched videos and restated some of their
information.
Yeah.
And we also used TED Talk.
Yeah, TED Talk was really helpful to find. Thanks for watching. Bye. Peace out.